friends, we're Bob and Fran, healthy aging advocates, mentors, and authors of the bestseller 101 Ways to Be Young at Any Age. Today we're going to share an important life lesson about not overreacting to someone's bad behavior towards you.
You will discover how to make every day a truly great day, regardless of whatever situations you encounter.
This bit of practical everyday wisdom will decrease your stress and help you to age more gracefully. So let's jump right in. We wish that we had created this story, but we didn't, and we don't know who did. But we love the message and wanted to share a version of it with you because it says so much. Some time ago, while we were in a large, busy city, we caught a taxi and headed out to a meeting. We were driving in the right lane when suddenly a black car sprung out of a parking space right in front of our cab. Our taxi driver slammed on his brakes, skidded, and missed the other car by just inches.
The driver of the other car opened his window, whipped his head around, and started screaming and swearing at us. Our driver simply responded with a big smile and a friendly wave at the guy.
So we asked him, "Why did you just do that? That knucklehead nearly destroyed your car and sent us to the hospital." This is when our taxi driver taught us what we now call the law of the garbage truck.
He explained that many people are like garbage trucks. They run around full of garbage, full of frustration, full of anger, full of stress, and full of disappointment. As their garbage piles up, they need a place to dump it, and sometimes they'll dump it on you. He said not to take this personally.
Just smile, wave, wish them well, and move on. Don't take their garbage and spread it to other people. The bottom line is that grounded and happy people do not let garbage trucks take over their day. Life is much too fleeting to let this happen. So love the people who treat you right and even save some love for the ones who don't.
Remember, life is 10% what you make of it and 90% of how you react to it. So let me ask you, what did you think of this garbage truck story? We'd really like to hear from you. Let us know in the comments section below and ask any questions you may have also, and we will reply. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, please do so we can keep making healthy aging videos like this. And lastly, have a great garbage-free day. We look forward to your coming back again soon.